The jungle is fun, but it's not for everyone.
Bump started this bike. Woo!
Some of my friends on Facebook, they don't want to come in the jungle. They said they see enough snakes where they live, and I can never see enough of these guys.
Are you having fun? You're having fun in the jungle. Let's go look at snakes. More snakes. More fun.
They're really gorgeous. And it's fun just riding back in the jungle, just hanging out and being with nature.
Beautiful.
It's really fun just to be here, also to be motorcycle riding. And just check out this area. It's a little dry. Also, the rain hopefully will come sometime.
Woo! We're having a good time. I hope you're having a good time. Woo! We're working our way through this tropical paradise they call the jungle. And if you can't ride the jungle, you can ride it with me. I will take you.
But I like it not being wet, and we're in the summer months, so it, of course, is dry in the summer. And it's been actually a really dry year. But let's go ahead and let's look for some more snakes. We're going to get on that motorcycle, the Husqvarna. We're going to go cruising through this jungle. We want to get out of here before it gets dark, because what if something happens? What if a chain breaks? We're stuck in that jungle. This jungle! We're stuck in this jungle with snakes and spiders and horrible things. You don't want to be here. Let's get out of here.
In this jungle, it's crazy and it's fun. There's no place I'd rather be than the jungle.
So we're searching for the snakes. They say there's lots of cobras. And they sneak around and they climb even into houses. And they could actually climb into your bedroom, into your bed. You could be sleeping with a cobra tonight. How do you like that? How do you like that? Do you like to be with a cobra at night? I don't.
It's a will to survive. There's a big log right here. Right here. I hit my foot on that. So my thing's smoking, so I better get out of here. My radiator's smoking.
Let's continue our search. Continue our search in the jungle. It's lush and it's tropical. And it's gorgeous in the jungle. All these wild animals. There's lots of insects, spiders, ants, bees, everything. This is a magnet for life. This is a magnet. This is a magnet for life.
Smoking hot. It doesn't want to be in the jungle no more. I want to, but my bike is starting to overheat.
But now we're gonna go back to the motorcycle. Back to the motorcycle. Back to the future. No, we're not gonna go back to the future. We're gonna go back to the past. No, we're gonna go back to the motorcycle. We're climbing a mountain right now. So the sun is setting. You can see the sun back here. It's gonna be dark really soon. And this jungle is fierce. It's ferocious. It's ferocious in the jungle. So we gotta get out of here. But we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna ride this motorcycle and we're gonna cruise on out of this jungle. We're gonna get out of here alive. And we hope you enjoyed our adventure. We got more to come. We gotta get out of here. We're stuck in the jungle. We're deep in the jungle. I wonder why. It's so much fun here in the jungle. Woo, see, the sun is setting. The sun is going down. Starting to go down. That means we gotta go home. The jungle is just wild. We're at the end of the jungle. There's nobody here. There's nobody. We're far from civilization. We're far. It's just you and me. You and me. Let's get out of here. We don't want to be stuck in the jungle. Not that much fun. Although there's a lot of snakes and shit in here. But that was fun. We appreciate you for hanging out with us today. Woo! Going ride. We're going ride. Why not? It's fun. It's a good time. If you don't have a motorcycle, you should think about getting one. Everybody should have a motorcycle. They're just a blast. I have so much fun on my motorcycles. Let's see if anybody's coming around the corner. Woo! Ride on, cowboy, ride on! Woo! Thank you for getting out of the jungle. So we appreciate you. We're out of the jungle. We're on the cement. But thank you so much for hanging out with us today in the jungle. We had a good time hunting for snakes, poisonous lizards, everything. We're gonna see you. Thanks again. Subscribe, like this show. We're gonna see you next time. Thanks so much. We're gonna see you soon, okay? Take care.